Museum of Art's Summer Camp Work Weft. We will be doing our very last project of the week, which includes your paper bag. You're going to need to empty it out of anything you might have left in it. You might have more, but I have these thick strips of paper. They're about 3 inches wide, and a few pieces of yarn left from mine. You'll also want to gather from around your house some masking tape, scissors, and if you'd like to, markers, crayons, or colored pencils. They'll help you decorate some stuff a little bit. We're going to turn this bag into a weaving. In order to turn it into a weaving, I'm going to have to start out with my scissors and cut it into the right shape. If you are joining us without a kit, you can actually do this with a grocery bag that you have lying around. You will need to cut off the ends, just like I'm about to demonstrate to you, and you'll be able to weave right along with us. With these scissors, I'm going to cut the outermost lines. That's this line here and this line here. They continue on all the way around the bag. If I look at this way, they keep continuing there, and then they go all the way down here as well, and down here, and all the way across. What's going to happen as I cut this is you will be left with one handle on and one handle off. Let's get started. Just to show you where we're at, we've got my front all cut down and all along the side. And now I can start working on this cut down here. Almost done. All right, this is going in my recycling bin. And this is actually starting to look like our paper loom weaving that we did earlier this week. Remember that blue paper loom weaving? Where we just had a piece of paper that ended up acting like a loom. I'm going to fold these pieces back to flatten out a bit. Now, we need to make these lines and cut them up as well. I'm going to stop over here before it hits the end of the handle though. Give yourself 3 inches away from this top handle. Really starting to look like that. There. We have our loom itself, and these are going to be the work pieces. And these will be our weft. Just spread them through just like we did with the paper loom weaving. And if you are interested in doing some extra decorating with your piece, remember you have those markers, crayons, and colored pencil. you can actually decorate those white pieces there to add into your limb. Just like before, we're following that over, under pattern until it gets completely filled up from your limb. You might also have some leftover pieces of yarn. They can go into your piece as well. We're still going to follow that over-under pattern that we've been using. Since this was over, I'll go under and over and drag it all the way across. We still need to leave a bit of a tail at the end. And since this weaving is so big, it just takes a little extra for anyway. Back to this side. There we are. And since this is so large, I also don't want this yarn kind of falling out on me. I'm going to go ahead and tie the edge right here. Just with a simple square knot. And use the scissors to cut off a little extra. Like that. And if you have plenty of yarn, you can even use stripes of this, make a larger block area of yarn. And then come back and use the paper again. That is up to you how you'd like to design your piece. When you've completed your paper limb, before you can hang it up, we actually need to fix these loose areas in place. So I'm actually going to flip this over gently. Push this back up in place. And then use a bit of masking tape just to tape down this last row. Everything else will stay together if this last row is taped down. So all we really need are a few pieces. And there we have it, a pretty basic paper weaving. Like I said, you can always go back in and decorate yours, make it a little more exciting. Here's the one I tried out. Thank you for joining us for this week of Weft Weave. I hope you had a lot of fun. I really enjoyed putting together these kits for you, and I really hope you can take a lot of pictures because I want to see them in our gallery. We're going to be hosting a community art gallery featuring you. I'd love to see the work you've made.